Good day, everyone. I am James Ronquillo, and I'm a grade 9 student in online class. For this video, I am going to be reading my written poem entitled Words Have Power. This is about the importance of the written word, how each and every one of us can use it wisely, and how we can benefit from it. I hope that you enjoy. Words have power, whether it's written or said. It appears everywhere, across all types of media. It could be videos we watch or books we have read. Some are like booklets or perhaps an encyclopedia. Words are art. It's something we embrace. We meditate upon them any given time or place. Words can hurt, but words can also inspire. They can heal, comfort, and motivate, and always aspire. Words are powerful. They help us to grow, helping us continue to learn, adding to what we know. Never stop learning, as that is God's will for us. To continue advancing, to debate and to discuss. Reading is important. It acts as our light. It shows us where to go, using wise words as advice. But how could we keep reading if nobody initiated to write? Which is why we should keep writing, even just a little sacrifice. The first step to writing is knowing what to share, so that the thoughts we convey aren't flying everywhere. It helps us share opinions, advice that is concise, maintaining simplicity, always being precise. When creating a journal, make sure to speak the truth. Double check every resource, make sure everything is smooth. It helps us to stay honest, sharing everything in loyalty, keeping us morally clean, doing our best with integrity. Speech is a gift given by a Father above. This is the way that He shows us His love. It's not limited to a certain kind. He gave it to everyone. That's why each and every one of us is equal. So let's use our voice to stay as one. So always be determined to use our words wisely. Speak in a gentle tone. Use our voice politely. Never stop learning. Always watch, read, and write. Keep on doing this, and we can bring our God delight. Thank you, everyone.